Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Watch Stash on your iPhone. First, ensure you have the Watch Stash app downloaded from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to create your account and complete the initial setup. Take a moment to explore the main interface. You'll find it intuitive for managing your watch collection. Now let's add your first watch. Simply tap the plus icon, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen, to begin. You can input comprehensive details such as the watch's brand, specific model, and even its purchase date. To keep your collection tidy, use the tagging and categorization features. This helps you quickly find specific watches later, whether by style or occasion. Watch Stash allows you to truly personalize your collection's display. Upload high-resolution photos of each watch to create a visually appealing digital archive. You can customize how your collection is displayed, perhaps by brand, type, or even value. Don't forget to add personal notes, like sentimental value or important service history details, to each watch's entry for a complete record. Beyond basic organization, Watch Stash offers advanced features such as tracking your watch's estimated values and storing insurance information. It's crucial to regularly back up your data to ensure your meticulously curated collection records are safe. For those looking to keep their home as organized as their watch collection, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Keep your collection pristine and your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.